Hello YouTube, this is the Gaming Mister here, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to export Firefox saved passwords to a CSV file so you can view them later. Or in case if your computer is going to crash or something and you need to export it, it's just be safe to back it up. Okay, so we're going to search for Firefox password exporter and then click on the first link. It's an add-on, then click on add to Firefox, then click on install. After the countdown there, restart now, and then basically you go to Firefox options, go into the security here, saved import or export passwords. Okay, for you to import you need to export first, so export your whole list. I accept, and I export it to wherever you want, maybe your desktop. Save, and your passwords have been exported. Then to import now, import passwords, and then you select the password export here and then click open. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, if you can check through to see all the passwords here. Okay, but you ain't gonna see that because those are my passwords. Okay, well, thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment and subscribe.